Ed Dunkel Jr. is the president of Precision Civil Engineering and a familiar face on KC24's Bulldog Insider. He's a civil engineer like his father. He also attended Fresno State, just like his dad. Since Ed has successfully grown his business, he's been able to do more than just pull for the Bulldogs. He's given back to the school, helping improve Fresno State and its athletic program. Oh, and his business is also winning some awards along the way. We now welcome Ed Dunkel Jr. for more on how Precision Civil Engineering gives back to the community. Great to see you, Ed.
Good to see you.
So you are a Fresno State grad.
Yes.
And I saw that picture. Was that you, a football player?
No, the football team put that together.
Oh.
Jeff Tedford did. That was a joke. But
you're basically a member of the team. I know
well,
you're part of the Bulldog family.
Well, proud of the Bulldogs, certainly. Like to help them out.
So born and raised here in Fresno.
5th generation.
Wow.
Yes.
What's it like backing them? Because I know to you the Bulldogs mean so much more than just a team. I mean, they mean community.
They do. I'm very proud of the Bulldogs. Very proud of Fresno State, especially being here for so long and embedded in the fabric. It's great to see them succeed.
Yes.
So I think they're a great marketing arm for the Valley and for Fresno in general. So.
That's so true. And when I read you said that, I was like, wow, I've never thought of that, but it's so true. They pull people in, people from far away who've never even heard of Fresno have heard of Fresno State.
Yeah, absolutely. I've been fortunate to travel with the team on some of the big trips, and people recognize Fresno from the football program, which in turn helps academia and helps the schools at Fresno State to be more recognized.
Sure does. Well, let's talk about Precision Civil Engineering. That is your company.
Yes.
What do you guys do?
Well, we are a full-service engineering firm. We offer traffic engineering, water resources, surveying, and we do a lot of design of streets,
yes,
utilities, that kind of thing. A
lot of big projects that we would notice, including the recent Riverstone
development, yes.
Yeah, that's huge. And you got this award for that?
Yes, it was somewhat of a prestigious award.
Yeah, let's show it off. Ooh, American Society of Civil Engineers.
Correct.
That's a big deal.
They're a national, right. And we've got, this is for District 9, Project of the Year, and then we are up for the national award. So
what were they saying they liked about Riverstone? I mean, I know it's gorgeous.
It's you know, this development is something unique here to the Valley. We have not seen anything like this before. It's a 2,000-acre development. It's going to serve 6,500 homes. It's got a commercial element. It's going to have a farm element.
Oh, cool.
Parkways, trails,
yeah.
School in the middle of the development. It's something.
It's awesome. You think that's the future, more like that?
I think so, because people can work and stay and live and everything right within that unit. So.
Oh, that must make you feel so good.
It's exciting.
Yay! Okay, and also you're big on the Merced County Courthouse design.
Well, yes, we have an office in Merced also, but they're doing a restoration of the courthouse there, a beautiful courthouse like we should have here in Fresno. That got torn down back in the 60s, but they're restoring it, so they had to figure out how to restore the facade, and you can't go up there and take measurements, so we have what's called a 3D laser scanner. We can scan the facade, and then they can utilize that to redesign and restore the
awesome.
The
so it's still in progress, the redesign?
Yes.
Wow, but this is the 3D images that your company
that's correct.
has come up
with. So basically what that does, it takes millions of points, and then they overlay a photograph on those points, so you can go and occupy any spot within that building. And it's incredible. It looks like you're right there. So.
Yeah, I know Merced's downtown is just on the up and up, and this is going to be a huge part.
Right.
So yeah, maybe Fresno, we can.
Well, we did the Fulton Mall previously. We 3D laser scanned the whole mall before they built on that. So.
Oh, cool. Yeah. Wow, so you've got the latest technology, and are you always looking for new jobs if folks are interested?
Oh, absolutely.
Okay.
Sure. Yeah.
Good. Now let's talk about the Bulldogs again. How have you given back to their athletic program, and what are you passionate about?
Well, it's just great to see them succeed. Very proud of them. So, we've helped a little bit monetarily. Yeah. So, and then I'm on the board of the Bulldog Foundation as well. So, anything we can do to help them succeed and move on. I think that's a very important time in athletics and the colleges, because either going to move up or you're going to move down.
Yes.
So we have to take that turn.
Yes. Well, I know you're big on the Bulldogs Give Back program.
Yes, with KC24.
Yeah. Yeah,
that's exciting. We have a lot of fun, so we recognize a lot of the people that give back to Fresno State and the athletic department. So
good. Yeah. And what's your message for all of us? How can we give back and help support our Bulldogs, which helps support our town?
Well, it would sure be nice to see some Heinies in the seats. We've got a very,
Heinies in the seats, yeah.
We've got a very successful program, and those guys need to have that, that crowd support back there. So that's number one. There's opportunities to give to the university, give to the sports program as well. It doesn't have to be a big amount, it can be $100 or whatever. Any of that helps. So we're trying to upgrade our facilities, get it to a national prominent level so we can compete with the Big Five conferences.
Yes.
And it's going to take some money to do that.
It does, and as we should be competing with the big dogs because we're the Bulldogs.
Absolutely.
Well, thank you so much, Ed. Congrats on your national award and everything you're doing to beautify our community. We really appreciate it.
Thank you. It's been a pleasure.
Thank you, Ed.